Hello, Communication 311 students. Here I'm your instructor and I will explain how to do the Dax1 data analysis exercise 1. Okay. First, but this is the Excel data file you need to use, and this is just example. I made up these numbers, but I'm going to create the real data set with your responses, and we are going to have about 20 people with real numbers, but we are going to have exactly the same variables. We have party identification, Republican, Democrat, Independent, and don't know, and ideology, conservative, liberal, neutral, right? And gender, female and male, number of things for organization, number of things for cultural objects. Okay, so and the first job is we need to create our frequency table and histogram for each variable, for party identification first. Alright, but this is an Excel program. If you are not familiar with Excel program, and then there is a good video clip in YouTube, and please watch. And I already recommended one good website, and you can find it in course announcement. Alright, so this is the cell. Okay, this is cell, and you can highlight, and you can click, and you can copy and paste, right? Also you can click, if you click here, and you can select all column, and you can click right hand and you can copy, right, and paste, right? So this is the Excel, and then in Excel, and you're going to see and the 1, 2, 3, okay, different worksheets, right, or different worksheets, and we are going to use these things. And if you have this, right, this is maximize and this is minimize. If you have this, and you may not see the worksheets number 1, 2, 3, so you maximize it and you're gonna see it. Okay, the first I'm going to work on this party identification, and you may copy, right, and these variable, okay, copy and click to the number 2, okay, and then click and paste, right, and then you can click here and then drag, and then you can make it bigger, right. The first we need to create a frequency table. Okay, the frequency table is this. You have party. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste party, and also you party. This is a variable name, and then you have frequency, right? Number of things, frequency, and then party, and then you can copy this. You can copy this and paste here, right? And then you just simply count how many cases you have, right? How many cases? How many 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 4. Okay, and then how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and how many independent people? We have 1, and then we have 1, and then here we need to check. Okay, actually I didn't copy this, but here is 1, 2, and then if you highlight this and put the cursor at the bottom corner, and then the cursor change, and then click and drop, and you can fill out all the numbers, and the total number is 10, right? So if we add them up, this should be 10. So we can do this: equal sign, sum, and parentheses, and highlight all the cases, and it means here G8 to G11. This is called G8, right? We add them up until G11. Okay, so alright, we have 10, so that's okay. It's good. Okay, I can do this total, and then you need to create a histogram. Okay, here highlight these cells, okay, and then go to insert, and then chart and column is good, okay, and click the simple column, and we have it, okay, Republican 4, Democrat 4, and you don't need this, so click and delete, and then you can have title or things, and then you can do this, move chart, chart 1, okay, so you have chart, this is, you can click and rename it, this is party, okay, party, okay. So this is it, right, okay, and this is the first one, okay, and then you save it, okay, so